Students, good morning. Today I explained about argument of complex number. So those who have not understand, for them specially I am making this video to understand the argument of the complex number. So here z is equal to -1 plus root 3 iota you have to find the argument of this complex number. I am going to explain you how to find this. Okay, first step you have to do is you just identify the complex number point. Like here z you compare with x plus iota y. So what is the value of x here? X is -1. What is y here? Y is equal to root 3. So the point will be what? -1 comma root 3 means negative positive. Negative x-axis, positive y-axis means somewhere here. -1 comma root 3 somewhere, it's approximately. So it is in the second quadrant. You have to remember that if it is the argument in the first quadrant, the answer is theta. If the argument in the second quadrant, then the answer is pi minus theta. If the argument in the fourth quadrant, then the answer is the negative of this is minus theta. If the argument in the third quadrant, then the answer is negative of this one. The negative of this one is theta minus pi is the answer. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, you have to remember this. Now if you see this question, this is related to which quadrant? This is related to second quadrant. So what we will do, we will find that argument now. So what I can find here, argument I will find. So what I do here, I will find theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Okay, this is the formula I explained you. So theta is equal to tan inverse, what is the value of y here? Root 3. Divide by what is the value of x here? -1. So theta is equal to tan inverse modulus of root 3 by -1. Modulus of this negative will become positive. So this you have to take root 3 it is. So what you have to take, consider this is root 3 it is. So theta is equal to tan inverse root 3. So modulus of -1 is +1. Okay, that is you got as modulus of -1 is +1. So theta is here. Theta will be tan inverse root 3. So you consider like this. Root 3, what is the angle? Which angle? Tan root 3 of which angle? 60 degrees. If you don't know, you send this is this side. So tan theta inverse, if you send this is tan theta equal to root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3 value when it comes at pi by 3. So the answer is pi by 3 for this theta. But argument will be what? In second quadrant means pi minus theta. So the argument of this complex number is pi minus theta. As I got the theta value pi by 3, because here theta is pi by 3. If I substitute pi minus pi by 3 here, LCM do it, 3 pi minus pi, I am going to get 2 pi by 3 is the answer. So this is the way to find the argument. If somebody asks you what is the modulus of this, the modulus of this is under root of x square plus y square formula. So under root of modulus of this will be under root of -1 square plus root 3 square. Square root cancelled. Modulus will be under root of 1 plus 3, that is root 4. That value is 2. So this is the way to understand the concept, dear students. Let's see one more. Let's find the argument of this. If we have this is the complex number. This complex number can be compared with what here? X plus iota y. Value of x will be minus root 3. Value of y will be -1. Then theta is equal to what? You just consider minus comes where? Minus will be in the fourth quadrant, because x is negative, y is negative. It means in the fourth quadrant answer is minus theta. So first find the theta. Theta equal to what? Tan inverse y by x. So theta is equal to what? Tan inverse. What is the y here? Y is -1. x is minus root 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse in modulus. All things are positive, so you can consider as the theta is 1 by root 3. When it is comes 1 by root 3, tell me. Theta comes 1 by root 3 when it is possible. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 happen tan pi by 6. But the argument answer is what? What is the argument of z? That is minus theta because it is fourth quadrant. So the answer is minus pi by 6. So this is a very simple concept, dear students. If you want to understand this concept, just only the thing is you need to do what is the point where it is lies. Suppose if I am going to take one more example, let us consider one more example. Z is equal to, let us take one more example. Z is equal to 1 plus iota. So this is the point. If I compare with x plus iota y, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay, this is in which quadrant? 1, 1. Both are positive first quadrant. Correct? If it is in the first quadrant, the answer is theta. So markers are not working. Wait. So now if this is the theta, so I can write theta is equal to, I can write here theta is equal to tan inverse y by x mod. So theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 1. Theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 is 1. So tan inverse theta 1 when it is comes. So that is theta equal to 45 degrees pi by 4. So this is there in the first quadrant. So the answer of the argument of this complex is pi by 4 is the answer because it is the first quadrant. So theta will be pi by 4. So likewise we have to understand. Okay. Hope you have understood all these things. Right. After completing this today's lecture, live lecture on the complex number, watch it that I have explained 1 hour 20 minutes. In that I have completed everything about argument and their properties and the problems based on that. So watch the videos. Take care. Bye-bye.